The federal government just published the new Dietary Guidelines for Americans, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use it to start your cooking show and build it into a work-from-home business. So what are the Dietary Guidelines? This is a document that's published by the federal government every 5 years that basically provides guidance on what you should be eating, what quantities and nutritional values and such. So if you're familiar with the food pyramid, that's one example of the federal dietary guidelines. Every 5 years it gets updated, different guidance based on where we are as a nation in terms of health. And the new one just came out. I'll put a link to it in the description box so you can download that. And you can use this to help you develop your plan for your cooking show. What kind of recipes are you going to prepare? What are you going to teach people? And the reason you want to do this is because if you're willing to take on the job as a food educator and teach people how to eat healthy, how to improve their health through food, using food as medicine rather than getting prescriptions for everything, because we're in a public health crisis in the United States. We have a chronic disease problem, a chronic disease epidemic, and it's because of what we eat. So many people have diabetes. We have 38 million people with type 2 diabetes and another 97 million people with prediabetes, including 1/3 of our children ages 12 to 17 have prediabetes. Diabetes is not, type 2 diabetes is not a hereditary condition. It comes from what you eat, consuming too much sugar. So we have a real problem with this in the United States. And if you are willing to take on the job as a food educator and help people improve their health by changing what they eat, that is a work from home business where you can make any amount of money that you want. So does that sound like a job that you're interested in? I want to be clear about what we're talking about here. We're not talking about some kind of get rich quick scheme or going viral on social media. What we're talking about here is building a good old fashioned business where you get paid to help people solve a problem. Like I said, with diabetes, for example, that's just one chronic illness that you can focus on and help people with and get paid to do it. With diabetes, 38 million people who have type 2 diabetes, another 97 million people who have prediabetes. That's 135 million people who have a blood sugar problem. A sugar intake problem is really what it is. They're consuming too much sugar. That's a lot of people with a real big problem. Diabetes is, if you have anybody with diabetes in your family, or you know anybody with diabetes, you understand what a real problem that disease is, and it will take you out. It takes people out every day. Folks are getting diabetic amputations or losing their lives entirely because of a blood sugar problem, consuming too much sugar. And another thing is, it's not just diabetes. There's a thing called insulin resistance that I encourage you to look into, where it's a sugar problem that cascades into so many other things. So you're consuming too much sugar and your body is producing more insulin to help you process that sugar, and you can still consuming too much sugar, and your body produces more insulin, and you get to the point where your body no longer responds to the insulin, so you're no longer able to process the sugar correctly. And so that's insulin resistance. And then what insulin resistance turns into is a whole bunch of other chronic illnesses, including high blood pressure. So there are people who have developed high blood pressure because they have insulin resistance. That high blood pressure puts them at risk of a stroke. So they had a sugar problem, a sugar intake problem that cascaded into a blood pressure problem, which has now put them at risk of stroke, which is the 4th leading cause of death in the United States. So these dietary guidelines and teaching people how to eat to live, this is serious business, and it's an opportunity for you to build a business where you work from home, get paid to help people working out of your home kitchen, and make however much money you're willing to make. So here, what are the examples of how do you do that? First example is if you could sell a subscription service where you're teaching people, where you're preparing recipes and teaching people how to prepare these recipes and answering their questions. And you could sell that for $1,000 a year. Now that could be a one-time payment, $1,000 for 1 year in your membership community where you're teaching people, your food education community where you're helping people improve their diets. or it could be $100 a month. You multiply that times 100 people. So if it's $1,000 for the year, 100 people is $100,000 for the year. Or if you do $100 a month, then 100 people times $100 a month, that's $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. That's the example of why you really don't need to go viral. We're not talking about huge numbers. All you need to do is find, out of that 135 million people who have diabetes or pre-diabetes, all you need to do is find 100 people who are willing to pay you $1,000 over the course of a year to help them get diabetes out of their lives. And those people are out here. And something I want to address for a second is, I encourage you to not have the poverty mindset, because this is something that a conversation that I have to have with people all the time. Folks think nobody has any money. They act as if nobody has any money. Everybody's poor and nobody can pay $1,000. Ooh, $1,000. That's not a lot of money. $1,000 is only a lot of money to people who don't have any money. There are plenty of people out here for $1,000. If they can get a problem out of their life for $1,000, that's not a big deal. So please don't have this poverty mindset that nobody has any money. Nobody would be able to pay you $1,000. That's ridiculous. Plenty of people have plenty of money, and diabetes and high blood pressure and all these other chronic illnesses affect everybody, from the poorest people to the richest people. So there are plenty of folks out here who would happily pay you $1,000 to help you, for you to help them get diabetes out of their life. That's a no-brainer for them. It's simply a matter of you doing the work to go find those people. And we're not talking about a lot of them. We're talking about go find 100 clients and there's your $100,000 per year or more. Is that something that you're willing to do? Are you willing to do the work to build a business like that? It's not going to happen overnight. It can happen over the course of a year. You can definitely make this happen over the course of 3 years. So just think, if you got started today, by the time 3 years, in 3 years from now, you could have gotten your 100 clients. You start with 1 client, 2 clients, 3 clients, 5 clients, 10 clients. And then as you're helping people improve their health, the results, people are happy to talk about their results. If their blood sugar comes down and they're no longer taking medication, their blood pressure comes down and they're no longer taking medication, they're going to tell people, because that's great news. You're helping them improve their health. This is how you build a business. You start adding clients one at a time, and then it's 2 at a time, and then it continues to increase. And this is a business that you can build over time. For some people, it will happen quickly. Others, like I said, you got 3 years to find 100 people who don't want to be diabetic anymore. Does that sound unreasonable to you? Or does that sound like something that you could actually do if you committed to doing it? So that's one example. That's the first way. If you were selling a membership into an online community where you're helping people, providing ongoing guidance and support to help them with their meal planning and everything else, either $1,000 for the year or $100 a month. Either way, all you need is 100 people. Example number 2 is meal planning consultations. These are, you can be a 1-hour Zoom session where you get on Zoom with somebody and you have them go through their pantry and show you what's in there. What are they eating? What are they consuming on a daily basis? And then you give them guidance on that. You tell them what's in there that's got to go, what they can replace it with, and just answer their questions and give them some guidance. That's a 1-hour consultation that you can sell for $500. If you sell 5 of those a week, that's $2,500 a week. That's $10,000 a month. That's $120,000 a year. Again, if we're talking just about diabetes, there are other conditions that you can focus on as well. But just with diabetes, you got 135 million people who are candidates for this service. So all you got to do is find 5 people a week for a 1-hour Zoom session. You could do one appointment a day, Monday through Friday, or you could pick 1 day a week where you do all 5 of your appointments. However you want to do it. The point is, all you got to do is find 5 people a week who don't want to be diabetic anymore and they're willing to pay $500 to get your help to not do that. And that's another way that you can make your $100,000 a year. Third way is this cooking show that you're building, that this YouTube cooking channel that you're building that has become popular with people because you are helping them improve their health. You now have the opportunity to engage sponsors. So you're teaching people how to cook. What do they need to cook with? They need cookware, they need kitchenware, all kinds of other kitchen products that there are sponsors out here or major brands who are happy to sponsor you. They have budgets in place already specifically to pay people like you to use their products and endorse their products. Sponsorship, that can be a six-figure revenue source just by itself. You can add that in addition to the people who are paying you for your food consultation services. This is how you can build a work from home business. These are all, that's just 3 examples, 3 different ways that you can take these dietary guidelines that just came out, develop a cooking show that's actually going to help people understand how to eat, to live, and you're going to get paid from this. This is something that, this is not rocket science. I would ask you to just think about the things that I just shared with you, review it again if you need to, and then ask yourself, does any part of this sound crazy? Does any part of this sound ridiculous? Or does this sound like something that you could do if you put your mind to it? If you decided to take action on it and teach people how to cook, do these things that I just shared with you, these ways of making money, does this sound like something that you could do? Does this sound like something that you want to do? Because this is something that you can make happen for yourself. You are in complete control of this. And all you need to get started is your smartphone. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need a fancy kitchen and all of that stuff that, I hear these things all the time for people. All you need is your smartphone and a desire to teach. And you can start this business, and within 3 years, you can have a business that's generating 6-figure revenue for you, and it may not take you that long. All you need is 100 clients to build a business that frees you financially forever. So if this is something that you want help with, this is what I do. This is what I specialize in. Use the link in the description box to visit my website and fill out your cooking show self-assessment. That will help you figure out if hosting a cooking show is right for you. And if you think it is, based on the answers and the feedback that you get, then you'll have an opportunity to schedule an appointment with me so we can talk about your cooking show and what your ideas are and what you're trying to accomplish, and see if this is right for you. If this is a business that you want to build for yourself, because anybody can do this. You can do this. It's really simply a matter of being willing to do the work. So what I'll close with is I want you to think about, what kind of life do you want to live? What kind of life do you want for yourself and for your family? And how soon do you want to start living that life? Because if you feel like a cooking show can deliver that life for you, this is something that you can make happen within 3 years. Definitely. Some folks will be able to do it in a year, but that only happens once you get started, because this cooking show that you're thinking about and all these ideas, it's not going to do anything for you. You get paid from a cooking show by making videos. So you got to be putting out a video every week. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in doing, it's not going to happen for you until you get started. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.